Hey guys, we're with Alex here and his beautiful 997.2 GT3.
Yes.
It's amazing, Alex.
Well, we just had a drive up to Port Dickson, huh?
Yeah,
So I've just done about 250 kilometers with Thana today.
I don't know how to describe it because people say it's harsh,
Uh-huh.
but I feel it's comfortable.
Yeah, I think it's very comfy.
It's comfortable, but but yet you feel what's happening in the car. It's very communicative, if that's the word I want to use.
Well, I did like almost 5,000 kilometers in 1 month going around Thailand with this car.
Yeah.
Everyone's saying you're using a manual stick. Is it tiring? Oh, no, it's okay.
It's okay, it's okay, it's totally okay.
It's got a heavy clutch, right?
Oh yeah.
But in
Heavy
Bangkok, it was fine. Even in Bangkok traffic.
And I like what you've done with the car because this came with black wheels and you've made it red. Obviously you got that stripe going across the silver.
Uh-huh.
I think it's beautiful. You know what? You can get money, but you can't buy taste.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
Thank you. Thank you.
But
Thank you.
yeah, the taste is something else altogether different.
It's a combination of a few styling accents, you know,
Yep.
911R, a bit of the 991 GT3, etc. mix. But the number plate gets me into trouble. I've changed it. Finally, I've changed to what looks like 673. But before, when I
Yeah.
first got the plate, I had GT3 in
Yeah.
the exact GT3 font.
Yeah.
But the police would always give me hell. So
Tell them it's a test car.
yeah. So what else can I tell you about this car? It's 435 horsepower stock. Mine's got about 450 horsepower. Right? It's the ClubSport version.
The car,
it's
so
got
that
the
comes with the whole roll
bucket
cage.
seat, yeah, roll cage,
Yeah.
bucket seats. Yeah, completely manual. The 997.2 has traction control. The 997.1 GT3 didn't have traction control. What else can I tell you? It's rear wheel drive. It's raw, as you experienced the last 3 hours. It's
Yeah.
very raw. You know.
I think part of the appeal is that this kind of cars will never be made again. This is like one of the best cars ever produced.
Yeah, a lot of people talk about the Mesca engine because the guy just passed away.
Yep.
The engine builder, the designer. So he just passed away, and this is like one of the special ones, you know.
Yep.
It's got the carbon seats. It's got ceramic brakes,
Yep.
and that counted for that squeaky noise that you heard earlier on. And yeah, it's got the
And
wing.
this wing
Wing at the
here.
back.
Oh my god.
yeah,
Epic wing.
and I've got Öhlins suspension on it, as well as a Akrapovic exhaust system. Like you see, titanium exhaust system.
It's nice.
Yeah, as you know, it makes quite a sound. You want to hear the sound?
The sound, yeah.
I'll
The
start it up for
sound,
you.
the sound. I must say, it's not in your face sound. It's a beautiful sound.
Okay, we're kind of next to residential area, so I'll just bleep it two,
Yeah.
3 times. That's
Yeah,
it.
sure.
I don't want to sound like a,
Hooligan?
yeah, hooligan. Or
Sorry,
whatever
you
call it.
don't want to be Thomas Yap, is it?
Inconsiderate little guy, yeah. So just that. And yeah, that's good. take it to Sepang every now and then, and but haven't been to Sepang for quite a while now.
Yeah.
You see the number 46 on it?
Yep.
Because I'm also a biker, so I put 46 to let bikers know that I'm one of you. So don't hate me.
I'm so sad to see this go.
Yeah.
You know, but it'll be one of those cars that I think, you know, this is it. This is the ultimate Porsche, if you ask me. Ultimate modern Porsche.
Well, I'm trading this one in for that model.
Yeah. So that's
yeah, that one.
This is a single seater.
Yeah.
Single seater, single cam.
Yeah. and it's not bucket seats, but the seats are more comfortable.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So you know.
And they're both white. They're both white.
Yeah. So selling this car, you know, even though it feels like nothing, it is heavy on my chest to sell this car.
Even though it feels like nothing, it is heavy on my chest. How apt is that? It wasn't made up. Only Alec can do this shit.
Yeah, this is yeah, my 2012 997.2 GT3.
Okay. Okay guys, the link is below. It'll be only for sale for a month. If it doesn't get sold by then, it's not being sold. So
Yeah.
so you better go and rush and get it.
If it's not sold by New Year's Eve,
Huh?
it's off the market. Yeah.
Off the market.
And I'll keep it for maybe another half year.
Yeah,
or 1
it's
year.
it's a really hot ticket item. Never again will Porsche make a car
it's
this
almost
raw.
a unicorn.
It's unicorn. It's unicorn.
Almost.
It's like, because I drove the 911, the 992.1
GT3.
GT3 yesterday.
Yeah.
So it's fresh in my mind how that felt.
Right.
As much as there's potent, it's cable on the road and all that good stuff, it didn't have the engagement that this has.
Yeah.
This was
Sure.
the vibration, the fact that has got auto blip. This has got no blip. You have
Yeah.
your mind to blip for you.
You got a heel and toe. You got
Heel and toe.
You got double declutch. You got,
Oh my god, it's everything you want in a driver's car.
when we pulled up from
Yep.
Port Dixon. Just
Oh, 150 on a tight corner.
yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
That was fun.
That's fun.
A lot of fun.
So guys, yeah, look up the video.
And if
coming soon.
the GTI guy that was following us from behind, if you see this video, hi.
I hope your windscreen is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.
See ya.